Have you ever wondered if the idea of AI-powered machines existed thousands of years ago? Some ancient Hindu scriptures describe a mysterious machine called the Chaitanya Yantra, a device that seems to resemble modern artificial intelligence. But was this machine real, or is it just a modern interpretation of ancient texts? Let's dive into this fascinating mystery. Chaitanya Yantra in ancient texts. Some Sanskrit scriptures mention machines that weren't just mechanical devices, but had a kind of consciousness and the ability to self-improve over time. In the Atharva Veda, Mandal 7, Sukta 83, Shloka 6 states, Yantram Chaitanyam Asid, Yat Swayameva Shuddhim Avahati, which translates to, this machine, which possessed consciousness, had the ability to purify itself automatically. Similarly, the Bharadwaja Samhita describes, Yantram tasyaiva chaitanyam, parivartate samayanusaram, which means, this machine, with its own inherent consciousness, evolved over time. Both verses suggest the idea of a machine that could self-improve and adapt, something that closely resembles today's AI and machine learning systems. Was there really a Chaitanya Yantra? Now, here's something important to understand. There is no specific mention of a machine called Chaitanya Yantra in any ancient scriptures. This name was coined by modern researchers and social media storytellers. So, does that mean such a machine never existed? Not necessarily. While the exact term Chaitanya Yantra might be a modern interpretation, ancient texts do describe machines with consciousness, self-purification, and adaptability. In other words, the idea of intelligent machines isn't new. If ancient scholars wrote about such concepts thousands of years ago, could it be that they had knowledge of something we have yet to rediscover? Did ancient knowledge predict modern AI? If we analyze these verses closely, it's clear that ancient thinkers weren't just talking about mechanical devices, but also about intelligence and awareness. The Atharva Veda describes a machine that could purify itself, much like how AI systems refine their functions through learning. The Bharadwaja Samhita talks about a machine that evolves over time, just like modern AI models that update and adapt based on data. This raises a fascinating question. Did ancient civilizations possess knowledge of technology that was lost over time? Or was this purely a spiritual or philosophical concept? But even if it was just imagination, the very fact that such advanced ideas were conceived thousands of years ago is mind-blowing. At a time when there was no modern science or technology, envisioning intelligent, self-improving machines shows just how advanced and visionary ancient scholars were. What can we learn from this? Whether this was real technology or just a philosophical vision, ancient knowledge still challenges us to think differently about the world. Our ancestors saw technology and consciousness as interconnected, something that today's world is only beginning to explore through AI and machine learning. If you love discovering hidden knowledge from ancient texts, make sure to subscribe to Tail Axis and hit the like button. It motivates us to bring you even more fascinating stories. Got a topic in mind? Drop it in the comments. Your suggestion might just be featured in our next video. See you in the next one.